So we're here
Why?
making trains because we don't know what to do with it. And Kelly was like, "Oh, let's make a train." So we're making trains.
I like trains.
I like trains. That's good.
I like trains.
I can't do it justice to it. And here's Wookie. I think he likes trains too.
I like trains.
Do you like trains, Wookie?
I like trains.
And so, this is very fast. Is it automatic? Is it like better?
I don't know. Very fast assembly, I can tell you what.
Woo.
You know why it was fast? Because I like trains.
I like trains.
I like trains.
I won't go on the thingy-majiggy. It
Okay.
fell down.
It fell. No.
Why?
Okay, well, it doesn't do anything, so,
You just get dragged across the track. That's how a real Mexican does it. Just kidding.
Yes, that is totally how it works. Oh, it crashed.
Dang it.
Alright.
Go train, go! Go train!
Go! Yay! You are the awesomest train ever.
No!
Oh, wow. You suck, train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Ah, it's off course. Chugga, 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 chugga. Whee!
What?
Die, train.
I feel like David Tennant because it was like, what? What?
Dang you, train. Chugga, 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 chugga.
How is that even possible?
I don't know. It went to like a parallel dimension or something because it's going backwards.
It just happened.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
It just happened.
Yes, this just happened.
like a little plastic decoration, you know? No, that's ghetto.
That's ghetto. Hey, we're Mexicans. It doesn't matter.
That's hurtful.
That's our motto. We're Mexicans. It don't matter.
Yeah, it really is true.
Whee! Oh no!
But I have an even weirder race than you. Because I'm Mexican Swedish. You're like just Mexican and white.
Oh wow.
I'm a weirder race than you are.
Okay.
Stupid Mayan, Indian,
Whatever. I see how it is.
Aztec. Oh yes. Mighty
Whatever.
Aztec.
Just because I'm Inca doesn't mean you can be all braggy about.
Oh,
an
you're
Aztec.
Inca.
Inca.
I thought you said you were Mayan.
No, because I'm not fully Mexican. I am Peruvian. Get it right.
Well, I'm not full Mexican either. I'm like Scottish too. And
It couldn't hang on long enough.
my room is a pigsty. Please excuse that.
No, don't excuse it.
Oh,
Be all mean to her in the comments.
that's mean.
Okay, okay. Be all nice. Okay, what are your dogs doing?
They're playing. And he has his butt up. But you can look at the pretty puppies on the calendar. Woo! Pretty puppies.
No, put it back.
See? Okay.
Put it back.
Pretty puppy. Oh wait. Train. Train. What?
Put the
Puppy. Puppy.
Why aren't you videotaping me? I am more interesting than puppies.
Puppy. Puppy. Puppy.
Dang it, I like trains.
We just threw a train at me.
Maybe. I totally threw a train at you.
And you got another old calendar with scenery. January. And, okay, with notes on it, you know.
Because this is totally possible. Totally
Break.
possible. ever, go to CVS. It's there.
It is.
I think. CVS or Walmart. There you go.
Probably. No, it was at the Dollar General, I think.
If you want a toy train that's as good as this, I mean, this is so complex. I spent like a whole $2 on it. I mean, that's expensive.
$2.99. Get it right.
I was close. Chicka 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 chicka. I like trains.
Stop throwing trains at people.
There's no one there. You're mean.
I was
Alright.
joking.
Well,
You know what I gotta say to you?
what?
Was what Zoya taught us.
Tumati Maki.
What is that, Urdu?
Yeah, Urdu. Or Arabic. One of them.
Oh, that's just like well, Urdu is like Arabic, so
Kind of. Almost. Not really.
Yeah.
There's so many languages in the world, it's unbelievable.
it is. But we speak Spanish and English.
Wee!
Tumalamaki.
What's wrong with you? Okay, we're done with the trains.
Train? Did you really? Who bought the train?
Hannah.
Hannah?
It was a Christmas present.
Oh, did I interrupt your video? Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my.
We love you too, Dad.
I like trains.
Killing number 1, killing number 2. I like trains.
I like trains. It's not dying. There, it died. Oh, the train just had like a mass murder attack, and I'm not sure how, but
It just happened.
I know, it's just like, I guess it got overexcited, but
Oh, very exciting.
it just got worse. Oh no, there's some over there and over here. It's just like a giant explosion.
I
of
love
train.
how my like chemistry street and next card is like in the middle of it. Chlorate. No, your polyatomic ions. In your train.
The train likes it.
Polyatomic ion. Oh yes.
Chugga 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 choo choo. That train is so stupid. I am the least awesome part of the train. I'm the caboose. Fear me. Wow. That's funny. Alright, we're done here.
Oh, look at this. It's a random sign that got made for me. And it's for my friend Viri.
Aw.
She's a full Mexican.
She's a full Mexican.
Get it right. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're gonna go now. Say bye to camera. No, that was late, but